BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has recently started rolling out the next optional bug fix C-release update for Windows 10 KB5020030 to the release preview channels, where that will undergo its final testing and will be rolling out to the stable version soon, near the end of this month, November 2022. Now, as I've mentioned previously, these will be the last set of optional bug fix updates rolling out for both Windows 10 and 11, rolling out near the end of this month for this year, because Microsoft has previously announced that because of the holiday season, there will be no optional updates rolling out for both Windows 10 and 11 near the end of December, which means those optional updates will start rolling out as normal again at the end of January next year, 2023. So just take note of that. Now, this update was released to the release preview channel insiders on the 10th of November and is rolling out for Windows 10 versions 22H2, 21H2, and 21H1. And if we just head over to WinVer, about Windows, currently the stable version of Windows 10, version 22H2, the OS build, is on 19045.2251. So if you do decide to install this next update, the OS build for Windows 10 22H2 will be 19045.2301. Now, there are two minor improvements and new features that will be made available. And the first is regarding the Quick Assist app, which Microsoft actually ended support for earlier on this year, on the 23rd of May, which I did post on, and I'll leave a link in the description to that video. But basically, the Quick Assist app enables you to share a computer over remote connection so that you can help another person solve their problems on their PC using the Quick Assist app remotely. And Microsoft did announce earlier this year, which I did mention in that previous video, that they will be replacing the default Quick Assist app on both Windows 10 and 11 with the Microsoft Store version of the Quick Assist app, which I've since downloaded. So it seems like they will be pushing out that Quick Assist app now to both Windows 10 and 11, with the next optional updates rolling out near the end of this month. Now, the next new improvement and feature is regarding the search box appearing at the top of the screen when you place your taskbar at the top of the screen. Now, currently, just to give you an example of what this would be all about, is that if you currently enable the search box in the taskbar in Windows 10, when it's at the bottom of the screen, it will show. But if I change that orientation of the taskbar to be placed at the top of the screen, you can see the search box disappears. And it defaults back to the search icon. And if I head to search, there is no option for a search box when it's at the top of the screen. So Microsoft says the search box will now appear by default on the taskbar when the taskbar is at the top of your screen, or when you turn on small taskbar button mode. So that looks like Microsoft is fixing that issue, where if you place your taskbar at the top of the screen, the search box now will appear by default, where currently that is not the case. And I just want to pop this back at the bottom, and there we go. Now, just to mention a couple of the fixes rolling out, in case you're interested, there's about 4 or 5 just to mention quickly. There was a password reset that was failing mainly on virtual machines. That's been addressed. Update failures for the Microsoft Store has also been fixed. They fixed an issue that affected Microsoft Direct 3D9. It caused an issue with D3D9 to stop working when you used the Microsoft Remote Desktop. And then just 2 more to go. They fixed an issue that was affecting certain printers. The print outputs were misaligned. And they fixed an issue that was affecting Microsoft Defender for endpoints. So that's more or less what we can expect to see with the next optional bug fix C-release update rolling out for Windows 10 KB5020030. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.